So the first few questions are 1 mark answers only. So if we've done a bit of revision on the PEDs, these should be quite easy. So the first one, which one of the following PEDs is an athlete most likely to take to increase their power or strength? So the only one there that increases power and strength is anabolic steroids. The next question, which one of the following PEDs is an athlete most likely to take to increase oxygen delivery to their muscles? So EPO is going to be the answer. EPO injects a hormone which increases red blood cell count and red blood cell production, so therefore oxygen delivery increases. Next question, which one of the following PEDs is an athlete most likely to take if they are suffering from a painful injury? So hopefully we remember that one. It's narcotic analgesics. The next question is about diuretics, and the question says, state 2 reasons why an athlete may take diuretics even though they are banned. So there's a few different reasons we can come up with. The first one in the mark scheme is to mask the presence of other drugs. So that's one reason why athletes take diuretics, because it flushes out their system. So if they've taken anabolic steroids or narcotics and they're worried about being drugs tested after their event or before they're at their sport, then the diuretics help to flush these other drugs out of the system. The second reason athletes or performers might take diuretics is for rapid weight loss in order to get to their optimum weight. So remember, as diuretics are taken on, they help you to pass more water than you usually would. So particularly if we think of 2 sports, we think of jockeys who are riding horses. They want to be as light as possible, so they may take diuretics in order to lose weight through water. And the other is boxers. So a boxer wants to make sure they're at the top of their weight category. So if they're able to, before their weigh-in, which usually comes a few days before a fight, if they're slightly over the weight they should be, they could take diuretics in order to make sure they fall into that correct weight category by losing a little bit of weight. The final couple of questions are to do with data. So first one is the easiest question you're ever going to get. So based on the table, identify the activity with the greatest number of reported doping cases. So all we have to do is find the highest number on the left, so we can see it's weightlifting. And the second question, state the most likely type of PED taken by performers in the activity you identified in A. So you could have put one of 2 answers here. If you put anabolic steroids, then that's going to be right. And just a point on that, if you put steroids on its own, or if you shorten any of the names of the PEDs, then you're very unlikely to get the mark. So you've got to write it in full, anabolic steroids. If you put growth hormones, you'd also get the mark for that.